How can you transform a messy box of files like this into something nice and organized like this? Stay tuned for today's 2-minute tip. Brought to you by Smead. Today, we're going to show you how using color to organize will save you time and frustration. Organizing with color involves 3 steps: setting up your file categories by color, choosing the right organizing products, and using a consistent labeling scheme. The whole reason color coding works is that it allows you to visually identify your files by category. Smead recommends dividing your files into 4 to 6 different categories so that it's easy to remember. For office filing, you might have one color for vendors, one color for projects, one color for personnel files, and one color for financial information. For categories to use at home, you might choose financial, medical, education, and projects. Take a look at your present files and try to divide them into 4 to 6 categories. It will become obvious which categories you should use. Next, you need to get the filing supplies that will work best for your situation. Do you need file folders or hanging folders? Smead filing products are available in a rainbow of colors, so you can create the color scheme that works best for you. Finally, you'll want to determine how you will label your folders. Some people prefer to write directly on the tab, while others prefer to use a self-adhesive label. Whatever your preference, Smead recommends super-tabbed, oversized tab folders with 90% larger labeling area. You can also use a computerized labeling system like Viewables to get a professional-looking 3D label that you can easily read from the front, back, and top. Whatever labeling method you use, make sure you use a consistent labeling scheme. If you have several files that would go into a subcategory of another file, you should consider using the category name, a dash, and then the file name. For example, Travel-Boston and Travel-Los Angeles. So let's review what we've learned. First, select 4 to 6 categories for file types and assign a different color for each category. Second, choose the right filing products to fit your situation. And third, use a consistent labeling scheme to make organizing and finding files easier. Check out our 5 ways to learn to love organizing by clicking the link below. Like this tip? Share the love with others and make sure you subscribe to Smead's YouTube channel.